Hello, welcome to this checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by T.P. Bull in 1876. See that black just has the king and a pawn. White has the king, 2 pawns, the rook and the bishop. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? Moving the rook to d4 isn't a checkmate in 3. The rook's protected by the bishop, so the king has to move. You can try and block the escape with your king. That can then push the pawn, and there's no mates in 3 from here. Advancing the c-pawn to try to promote obviously isn't a mate in 3. The king isn't trapped, and getting a queen will eventually get you the mate, but not the mate in 3. Moving the rook to e8 doesn't get you a mate in 3. Black king can move to d5, try advancing a pawn, but the king can escape, and there's no mate in 3 from here. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To checkmate in 3 for white, you actually need to move the bishop to d4. Black can't move the king, so has to advance the pawn. You can then move your pawn to c4, forcing black to take the bishop with its pawn, and then you can move the rook to e8 to checkmate in 3. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.